AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers effortless seasoning with modern convenience. These grinders feature a unique gravity-activated design that starts grinding automatically when tilted. The adjustable ceramic grinder allows you to customize the coarseness for precise seasoning. With a sleek, ergonomic design, they're easy to handle and perfect for any kitchen or dining table. LED lights at the base illuminate your food as you season, ensuring accuracy even in dim lighting. The durable, rust-proof construction ensures long-lasting performance. Each grinder is powered by batteries, eliminating the need for manual effort. The large capacity compartments are easy to refill and suitable for various spices. Stylish and functional, they add a touch of elegance to your culinary experience. Upgrade your seasoning game with the AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set.